Hello everyone, welcome to the lesson. Today we will discuss this question on your screen, that is Kelly bought 10 more pencils than she did pen. Okay, so this is the condition. From this condition we will set an equation, and from that equation we will find the total number of pencils she purchased. Okay, each pencil cost is $0.4. That means the price of a single pencil is $0.4, and each pen cost is $0.575. If she spent total amount of 10, this is the total amount she spent on both x and y, that means pencil and pen. Okay, so from here my solution will be uh, as given she bought 10 more pencils. Okay, this is your condition. So let's suppose let she bought x pen. Okay, if she bought x pen, then the total number of pencils will be total pencils from above condition will be x plus 10. See this condition, Kelly bought 10 more pencils. She bought 10 more pencils than pen. Okay, so x is my pen. If I add 10 to this x, then I will get the total number of pencils as given in the question. Okay, so x plus 10 will satisfy this condition in the question. So from this we will set an equation to get the total number of pencils. So now from this we can make an equation. Now from this we can make an equation. And the equation will be simple. What is the price of your pencil? The price of my pencil is $0.4. So 0.4, and what is the quantity? The quantity is x plus 10. X plus 10 is the quantity, plus what is the price of your pen? The price of your pen is $0.75. $0.75. And what is the quantity? X, that is the quantity of pens. So this is equal to, what is the total number as a total amount spent on these board goods? The total amount spent on these board goods is $10.90. Okay, so 10.90. Okay, this is the equation, and from this equation we will solve this equation for x, and the x is my pens. Okay, so you have to simple multiply this 0.4 with x and 0.4 with 10, again this 0.5 with x. So after multiplying I will get 0.4x 0.4x plus 0.4x plus, that is 0.4 into 10 plus 0.75x, this is equal to 10.90. Okay, so adding this will give me 1.15x is equal to 10.90 minus 4. Adding this, multiplying this 0.4 with 10 will give me 4. So I have to subtract 4 from both hand sides. So I subtract 4 from both hand side, and this is 1.15x is equal to 6.9. Okay, so from here my x is equal to, I have to divide both sides with 1.15. Okay, so 6.9 divided by 1.15. So from here x is equal to 6. X is my total number of pens. Okay, now I have to find the total number of pencils. So total pencils is equal to x plus 10. What is my x? X is 6. 6 plus 10, this is equal to 16. So total number of pencils she purchased 16, total number of pens she purchased 6. Now one thing I want to add here is that how I set this equation. So okay, so to set or to make this kind of equation, you have to put the price of that good, that is p, price of that good, so price of x, let's suppose, and you have to multiply with the quantity, and you have to add with you have to add that with the price of the second quantity with the second quantity, and this is simply equal to the income, that is your your budget. This is in economics we call this as budget line. Okay, so from this budget line we set this equation. So from this equation we find the total number of pencils she purchased. So thank you for your time and watching this lesson.